In this video, I want to chat about 10 things that can help you get more streams or more concurrent users on your DJ set live streams. Let's jump in. Hey, it's Grahame from Data Transmission, and today I want to talk about live streams. We've been talking about a lot about live streams on this channel recently. Obviously, with the current lockdown situation, everyone's gone to the live stream. So I want to give you some 10 ideas on how you can build more viewers, more people watching after the fact on your live streams. So I've made a list of 10 things. Let's jump into them. Right, number one. Firstly, create your live stream as an event. What do I mean by that? So you want to create a flyer, maybe create some artwork. Don't just go live. Right, I'm live, because people won't be expecting it. Promote it as an event, like you would a club show, a festival. Really go for it. Like run stuff on your stories. Make an artwork, or really good is club in with a few people and have like a 4 or 5 hour stream where different people are going all logging into one page, and that's where you're all heading. So then you have like a flyer, and then you're promoting it as an event. If you're a label, for instance, do a label showcase, or if you're already an event series, do an event, promote an event on live stream. So yeah, create a flyer, create some artwork, then you can get everyone to share it, get everyone to push it, tell people when it's going to happen, really go into town and marketing this live stream like it's a club show. Number two, as part of that, like I said, use stories, create a cool story artwork for your Instagram, for your Facebook, and use the countdown sticker on Instagram. You can then use the same countdown sticker every day. It's going to give you some story time every day. Talk about your live stream on your stories. Hey, I'm going live on this day. Hey, I'm going live on this day. Countdown to my live stream. 3 days to go, 2 days to go, 1 day to go. And that really will bring more people to the stream. Number three, as I said, if you're a label, make a live stream for your label. Get some of your artists involved. Get them all going into your label page. So you'll have a set list, have a set times, and essentially each person logs in as an admin of your Facebook page, and then they all share that live stream to their friends and their groups of friends. Obviously, if you've got 5 or 6 artists, they're all going to have different groups of friends, and therefore the reach on each one is going to be a lot bigger. And from a label point of view, your label page is going to grow for afterwards when you're trying to push releases. You're going to have more fans because you've got each of these artists sharing this live stream. From a live stream point of view, for Facebook, the more shares, the more likes, the more reach it gets, and therefore the more traffic you have. Similar with things like YouTube, I guess. Once you've got YouTube, if everyone's sharing the same YouTube link and the same YouTube channel, you're going to get more subscribers on that channel. Great for when you're doing releases after the event. You just look at people like Defected, who have done these massive live streams. They've had millions of people around the world. Their pages have all grown massively because of their streams. Number four, use a mailing list or a messenger bot or a WhatsApp group to kind of promote the event. Firstly, announce it in your email, announce it in your messenger, announce it on your WhatsApp group. It's going to go live on Friday at 8 PM. Tell people about it, promote it, and then right before you go live, again, then have something scheduled. So as you're going live, you've got the link, you've got the page, your email and your messenger all blast out as you're going live, which from a messenger point of view, if you're using a messenger bot, maybe 90% open rate. That's really going to keep people in Facebook. It's going to really drive people awareness that it's happening right now, and it's really going to push those early concurrent watchers up to help you drive more awareness of the stream, help it go a bit more viral as it's happening. Number five, cross-post your video with some other big pages. If you're an artist or a label, reach out to pages like Data Transmission or Tech It Deep or One Fit the Rave or Techno Bible, and ask them, can you cross post your stream to their page? Have they got space in their schedule? What this is going to do is you're going to basically link the two pages via cross-posting on Facebook. If you've not checked that out, basically you go into the settings of your pages and add each other's page. It then links the two pages, so when you go live on your page, it automatically goes live on those other pages. And the more you can have multiple pages on these cross-posting, so the more you select and the more people you reach out to and combine, the more automatic reach you're getting. As the host video, all these other pages are going to be adding reach to your original video. Therefore, driving up the reach, drawing up the stats. And all the stats from these other pages also combine onto your original video. Very, very simple. When you go live, there's a button on Facebook that says cross post, and that opens, and then you just choose the pages you want to go live to. Obviously, don't do it to pages that haven't agreed, because they're going to get mighty annoyed. Number 6, this isn't for all, but it does really, really work. Engage with the audience. Have a microphone, talk to the audience, chat to them as they're happening, or have someone in the comments driving the engagement. Have your partner or your mate or someone that lives in your house with you. Have them chatting in the comments as your page and driving the conversation. The ones that I've seen really work are people on the mic, because they're talking to people as they come into the audience. They're watching the comments. They're saying hello to people that they know. Everyone loves to hear their name shouted out, and that really helps. And then especially as you're getting to the other thing that really helps, obviously, is if you're getting to a pinch point, like you're near 1,000 people watching. Come on, guys! If you all share it now, I'd love to hit over 1,000 people watching. The other thing you can do just after your stream started is maybe set a like goal. Hi guys, I'd really like to get 1,000 likes on this stream. Let's all do it and get that community of people watching that stream and get them all actively involved in the stream. Makes them feel part of it, and it will help drive the awareness of the stream. The next one, to drive awareness is what part of the stream, again, is whilst you're on the mic, whilst you're talking, maybe get people to screenshot it on Instagram, for instance, and share it to their stories. Watching so-and-so, getting them to tag you. That's going to help grow your page, grow your following, and grow that you've been aware, that you've been live, and people can then re-watch it after the fact. Obviously, say for Instagram, you can watch it for the next 24 hours. Maybe they missed it, screenshot it, all take a screenshot right now, tag me, and I'm going to repost them the best ones. Usually is a good thing to say. Sharing your stream to Facebook groups, whether it's on any of the platforms, Mixcloud, Twitch, YouTube, Facebook. Obviously, Facebook's going to work the best into a group. Sharing into a group, or from Facebook point of view, starting a watch party on Facebook and inviting people into that watch party of your friends. That's really going to help push the numbers up. Obviously, there's lots of groups that accept streams, and kind of doing a bit of pre-prep before you even start streaming. That's really going to help you know exactly which ones to hit those buttons and get sharing into the groups as you're going live. So do a bit of pre-research. Which ones are already having streams in? Which ones accept streams in? Like for instance, my Facebook group, we don't accept streams. I just delete them, but there are lots of other groups that do. So do that research. Multicast. So Multicast, from things like Restream.io, this allows you to have one stream that goes to multiple platforms all at once. So you might go to YouTube, Twitch, Facebook, all from Restream, Mixcloud, all from Restream. So then you're hitting all your audiences on all the platforms all at exactly the same time. The only thing you're going to have to worry about is obviously you're going to have comments on all platforms. So kind of keeping an eye on monitoring them is fun. And depending on what software you go to use Restream, so for instance I use Ecamm Live, you can actually see all your comments in one place from Ecamm Live, and that allows you to pull comments into the screen as well, which obviously people see their name on the screen, they give it, that makes them part of that experience, you know. I hope this has helped you. I hope you're enjoying doing me live streams. I hope you're not put off by the thought that there's too many people live streaming and you shouldn't do it. Please do it. Please get involved with live stream. I think it's really important for you as a DJ. I think all those DJs that have not had gigs and not been able to get gigs, this is a really great time. And even if you stream to 5, 6, 7, 8 people, it doesn't matter. It's the experience of doing it. It's the challenge of doing it. Getting the audio work, getting the video right. You're going to learn something out of this process. One of those 5 to 8 people might be, you know, a booker for a party, and then you might get something out of it. Or it might go super viral because you do something amazing. You're never going to know unless you jump in and do it. So please start. Please try it. Have a great time with it. And I hope you've enjoyed this. If you have, please share it with other friends. Please subscribe to the channel. All that jazz. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.